When we think about where our businesses are going, we start looking for tools that help us stay focused, and project management software usually becomes part of that discussion today. In that space, ClickUp and Monday.com have long been platforms people relied on. This year, the space between ClickUp and Monday has grown as they push harder into different directions. We spent some real time going through the newest updates on both platforms to figure out which one still performs well once workloads start getting heavy for growing teams under pressure daily. So let's get into it. To start things off, let's look at how these two handle the actual day-to-day work, because at the end of the day, if you can't manage a task easily, the rest doesn't matter much. ClickUp still leans heavily into its one app to replace them all mindset, which gives you a massive amount of control. You've got 15 different views to choose from right out of the gate, and the hierarchy is so deep that it lets you nest subtasks within subtasks until your heart's content. On the other side, Monday.com keeps things a bit more streamlined. It's built around these visual boards that use color-coded columns to show you exactly where a task stands. While Monday doesn't give you quite the same level of granular nesting that ClickUp does, it's much faster to look at a board and know who's doing what. ClickUp is great if you have a complex workflow where every little detail needs its own home, but Monday is often the winner for teams that just want to get in, update a status, and get back to work without clicking through 5 different layers of folders. Moving forward into the bigger picture, project management is where we see how these tools handle long-term planning and resource allocation. ClickUp has really leaned into its Agile and Scrum capabilities this year by offering native sprint points, burn-down charts, and a workload view that's pretty hard to beat if you're managing a dev team. It feels like a powerful tool for high-level visibility, especially with its everything view that rolls up every single task in your workspace into one spot. Monday, however, has made some big strides with its Work OS philosophy. It feels more like a flexible canvas where you can build your own project management methodology from scratch. Their Gantt charts and timelines are arguably the most intuitive on the market right now. They're smooth, easy to adjust by dragging and dropping, and they don't feel as cluttered as ClickUps can sometimes get. If you're running a marketing agency or a creative team, Monday's visual approach to project health and milestones probably feels more natural. But if you're managing a massive enterprise project with 1,000 moving parts and strict dependencies, ClickUp's robust structural options give you more safety nets. Since we're talking about the upcoming days ahead, we have to talk about how AI is changing the game for both of these platforms. ClickUp has introduced ClickUp Brain, which is a pretty sophisticated neural network that connects your tasks, docs, and people. It can actually write your daily stand-ups for you or summarize a long comment thread so you don't have to read through 50 messages to find the action items. It's deeply integrated, meaning the AI knows the context of your entire workspace. Monday hasn't stayed quiet, though. They've rolled out their AI Autopilot Hub, which focuses more on proactive risk identification. It'll scan your boards and flag a project if it thinks you're going to miss a deadline based on past performance, which is a huge help for managers. While ClickUp's AI feels more like a personal assistant that helps you write and organize, Monday's AI feels more like a project consultant that watches your back. Both are going to save you a ton of time, but ClickUp's version feels a bit more hands-on for the individual user. Building on that, the way your team actually talks to each other inside these apps is a major point of difference. ClickUp has a built-in chat view that works a lot like Slack, so you can keep your conversations right next to the work. They also have Docs, which are native collaborative documents that rival Google Docs, that allows you to link tasks directly inside the text. It's a very sticky environment where you never really have to leave the app. Monday takes a slightly different approach. While they have Monday Docs now, their collaboration still feels very much tied to the pulse, or the specific item you're working on. You communicate in the updates section of a task, which keeps things organized but maybe a little less fluid for general water cooler talk. However, Monday's notification system is generally considered less overwhelming than ClickUp's. In ClickUp, if you don't tune your settings right, you'll get buried in alerts, whereas Monday does a better job of surfacing only what's vital to your specific role. Now, if you don't want to spend 3 days setting up your workspace, you're going to be looking at templates. ClickUp easily gets an advantage in volume here, with over 1,400 templates, covering everything from law firms to personal habit trackers. They provide different levels, beginner, intermediate, and advanced, so you can grow into the system. The catch is, because ClickUp is so customizable, even a template can feel a bit complex at first. Monday, on the other hand, offers around 200 templates, but they are incredibly well polished. They feel like out-of-the-box solutions where you just click Use and you're 90% of the way there. Monday's templates for CRM and creative production are particularly strong and usually require much less fiddling to get them working for your team. It's the classic choice between having a massive toolbox where you have to find the right wrench or a pre-assembled kit that's ready to go. Next, let's talk about how you actually see the data once the work is moving. ClickUp's dashboards are built using widgets. You can pull in charts for time tracking, calculation widgets for budgets, and even custom code if you really want to get technical. It's incredibly powerful for data junkies who want to see every metric imaginable. The downside is it can be a bit slow to load if you've got hundreds of tasks being crunched at once. Monday's dashboards are a bit more executive-friendly. They are visually stunning, very fast, and provide a great bird's-eye view of project health without needing a degree in data science to set them up. Monday's reporting is perfect for showing a client or a CEO exactly where the budget stands and how many milestones have been hit. ClickUp wins if you need to do deep dive reporting on things like billable hours and team capacity at a granular level, while Monday wins for clear, high-level status reporting. To draw a conclusion, your choice comes down to your team's technical needs. If you want a platform that can be molded into literally anything and you don't mind a steep learning curve, ClickUp is the most powerful tool for the price. But if you value your time and want a beautiful, stable system that your team will actually enjoy using from day one, go with Monday. They both go neck on neck, so you won't lose picking them. So share your pick in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.